So here is the finished product of our DIY backyard sectional seating. Okay, so this DIY was inspired by another YouTuber. I will tag her below. She actually did the same thing, made made a sectional out of pallets, and turned out really nice. I didn't do my best job with the fabric. It's fine, I'll come back later and perfect it. To me, nature has no perfection, so I think it's a little too anal to make things outside so perfect. They're gonna get rained on and everything else. The garden is doing beautiful, beautiful, and I'm so happy we finally finished this outdoor space. Please like this video if you like the outdoor space, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.